Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm making a famous dish. A dish that will blow your mind. The taste is authentic. This is called chicken soup gravy. Chicken soup gravy. Yeah, you can name it whatever, but the taste is definite. Let me show you what ingredients you need, what you need, how the process. I will show you. To make chicken soup, you need obviously chicken. Take 1 kg or so. Make it small pieces. As you can see here, I made small pieces. Then, the important part of this soup, you will need milk with bread. Use your blender, use mixer, use anything. Put 2 slices of bread, cut off this crust part, and mix it with the milk and make this milk out like this. You see how thick it is. Then the masalas. Masalas is the heart of the food. Without masala, there is no taste. For taste, authentic, you need masala. Okay, let me show you. I got here jeera and black pepper, whole one together. Then I got here onion paste. I got chilies cut in small. I got jeera and dhania powder mix. I must mention something here. The jeera and dhania powder have to be heated onto a pan before you use it. That's a secret. That's a big secret, I'm telling you. Then I got here garam masala powder. I got bay leaves. I got stick cinnamon. I got here cloves. I got aniseed. I got cardamom. As you can see, how many of them, the quantity I'm using here. And I'm going to use some butter. Any kind of butter you can use. There is no choice. Then I got some chilies. I got garlic and ginger paste. And I got here corn flour to thicken the soup. And milk, obviously. As I'm going through, I'll show you where to use the milk, when to use the milk. Let's cook. Time to cook. As you saw the ingredients, now I'm going to show the procedure of cooking. That's very important, guys. Without knowing the processing, you can't just put all of these ingredients together and you think it's gonna be a curry or something. No, I'm not making curry, my friend, today. I'm making something delicious. Let me show you how it's made. Now, here I got a pot. There is the pot. As you can see, I used a little bit of oil and all the whole spices that I have been shown just now. All the whole spices is here, and those chilies I was showing, the whole ones, is right here. Okay, put a little bit of heat, not too much. Just stir it until you get a fresh smell of those masalas. Then you'll see the magic. There we go. It's ready for the next step. The next step is put this jeera and dhania powder and that garam masala right into the pan. Also, garlic and ginger paste. That's the main heart. Okay, don't forget the garlic and ginger paste. That's going to give you the authentic taste. Okay, garlic and ginger paste here. And the other powder masalas already in. I'm going to throw now onion paste that I blended. It's right here. I'm throwing the onion paste also, all of it. More onion, more tasty. But don't exceed 1 cup. I took here like as 1 cup here with a 1 kg of chicken. If the ratio of the chicken goes up, you need to put up the ratio of the onion and masalas also as you mix it. So let it get cooked for a little bit of time, not too long. Like I put the garam masalas for 2-3 minutes. Now I'm putting this onion paste and garlic and ginger paste and jeera dhania powder and garam masala all together. That's why it's cooking. As you can see, it's coming a lovely color here. But this is not the real color. That's just a masala. When the final cooking is done, you see the real color comes out. This is the time into that paste. Look, it just been literally 5 minutes on a medium heat. As you can see here, it's like boiling that masala and the milk that you added. Now time to throw the chicken. Let's throw the chicken into the pot and wait for like 8 to 10 minutes. Then you'll see what kind of results comes out. Throwing the chicken in, 12 pieces, about 1 kg of chicken. Chicken is in. Please guys, it's very important, drain all the water from the chicken. When you wash the chicken, there is water left, so try to strain as much of water as you can. As you can see, I'm mixing the pot. Now leave it for 8 to 10 minutes like that with the lid on for the chicken to be cooked. The next part I'll show you, I'll put in the bread paste that I made with the milk. That will go in here. So you need to put the lid on, leave it for like this for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets the oil on top. It's basic cooking. Can you see? Nice to the chicken a bit. Well, I can feel the aroma. Fresh, nice smell. Now in this part we throw the salt in. You can throw salt as much you want to, but don't throw over salt as much you want according to your taste. Don't put more than what is your taste is. So try to put salt like I would recommend for 1 kg. Okay, 3 finger of yours. Take 2 pinch. That's it. Let's check out how far is the chicken. It's been 10 minutes. Yes. Chicken is been ready. For the next step, you have to mix that bread paste with the milk. That will go in here. The chicken is ready. Let's do it. Here's the bread, milk paste. Goes in here. Done. Stir it. Mix it well. Put a little bit of more milk. Just to thicken it and get the color. Milk is in. Stir it a little bit. Mix it well. Yes, there we go. The color is just coming. As you can see, the oil is coming up. Let's get it cooked like this for another 5 to 10 minutes until you see it's well mixed and will get a nice smell. Okay. And here on the other side, I'm getting ready for the other step, the last step of this food. I put some butter, put the stove on high, let the butter get melted. Then you put this jeera and the black pepper into it. Added the jeera and black pepper, a little bit of chili thinly sliced into the butter. Now just wait until it comes to a little bit of smell. You will get a nice aroma out of it. When the aroma comes out, you know it's ready. There we go, guys. Finally, the chicken soup is done. Look, the fresh, spicy, tangy smell. Yo, the taste, I can't wait to taste. I can't wait to get the taste of it. So lovely color. I just mixed up that small frying pan that with the butter and the black pepper and jeera and a little bit of chili. I just mixed up that also on here. Then I cooked for 2-3 minutes. Now the food is done. Voila! You can serve with rice. Serve this lovely food with rice or maybe roti even bread, just a slice of bread, and taste it. Let me know on the comment, how do you like that video? How do you like this food? Let me know. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Shabakar.